Hello friends, now I have brought a new video which is very demanding in my Hindi video for cleaning the private parts of 5 years kids and how to convince kids who are shameful for cleaning the private parts from their mother. First point, mother have to teach their kids the usefulness of private body parts and hygiene. They should told the kids that cleanliness is necessary. For example, smell, pus, urine blockage, and irritation. Second point, for those kids who hesitates from their mother, then father should do that work. Third point, if kids are frightened from doctor and syringe, then kids have to be committed by doing home remedies, else done from doctor and past cleanliness that dust should be shown to kids that they understand. Next point, with the help of any ripe fruits, parents taught their kids that if seeds won't be removed, then fruit would get rot like fruits. Our body private parts should be cleaned regularly. Next, the most important points is kids should be taught the hygiene from the age of 2.5 years. During bathing, cleanliness should be shown to child so that they get habitual and do it self in future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.